Do you want to do push-ups but struggle to do so? Well, I present to you 4 simple steps and progressions to help you get your first push-up. Now, your hands should be about shoulder width apart. Place your palms flat on the ground and make sure your hands are directly below your shoulders. You want to make sure you're not sagging like this. Instead, engage your glutes and engage your core. This means to squeeze your glutes and squeeze your core. When in the down position, you want to make sure your arms are at a 45-degree angle. So not like this and not like this. Alright, so here's where you want to familiarize yourself with the push-up movement by practicing knee push-ups. So with these, you want to keep the same form, but just do them on your knees and think about pushing the floor away from you and lowering down slowly. You don't want to do these fast like this. But instead, you want to do them slowly so that you're in control of your muscles. And that's going to help you to build up strength for the regular push-up. So just come down very slowly and up. Now, if you could do more than 10 of these, then you can definitely move on to the next step. So for this step, we're doing negatives. This is where it starts to get real. The main difference between negatives and regular, with the negatives, we're focusing on the lowering, pushing down movement rather than the pushing up. With the regular, you're doing both. And it looks something like this. Same form as before, but you're coming down very, very, very slowly. Slower than the knee push-ups, actually. Very slow, and when you get very close to the ground, just allow yourself to drop down on your knees and push yourself up. So, again, get very close to the floor. You're not quite touching it yet, but then you drop down on the knees and up. So the focus here is on control. And if you can control your muscles enough to lower down very slowly, and you could do this for more than 10 reps, you might be able to do the regular push-up. Why? Well, all that's left for you to do is to just practice pushing yourself up on your toes. And that should actually be easier than the lowering because you're using a lot more muscles when you're lowering down, especially if you're doing it slowly and controlled. In the pushing up movement, you're pushing less body weight. So if you could do with slowly pushing yourself down, pushing yourself up with that less body weight, shouldn't be as difficult as the lowering. If you find that you're struggling to lower yourself down slowly and you're sort of crashing down like this, you want to try practicing the knee push-ups, but slow it down even more. And I'm talking very, very slow as you can possibly make it. You want to practice this very, very slow. Like, seriously slow. And if you practice that, then you can progress on to the negatives. And then once you do the negatives for more than 10 reps in good form, then you should be able to do at least 1 regular push-up. If you want to try something a little bit different, then you can go down the incline route. It's where you start off doing push-ups on a really high incline and slowly work your way down until you're on the floor. For example, you can start off by doing push-ups on a wall. You could do push-ups on a high box, or if you don't have that, you can use a table or the arm of a sofa. And then you can use a really low bar or just a really low box. And finally, coming down to the floor on your toes to try the regular push-up. Well, that concludes today's video. Please let me know how you guys got on in the comments down below. If you liked this video, or if it helped you in any way, please leave a like. If you like this type of content and you want to see more, please consider pressing the subscribe button. I would highly, highly appreciate it. But that's it from me. Thank you for watching.